You know that moment when a politician, he gives a speech and the whole crowd changes sides in minutes. That's exactly what happens in Julius Caesar Act 3 Scene 2. In Act 3 Scene 1, Julius Caesar was assassinated inside the Senate by a group of conspirators led by Brutus and Cassius. So they claimed they did it to protect Rome from Caesar's ambition, fearing he would become a dictator. But after the murder of Mark Antony, pretended that he was on their side and requested permission to speak at Caesar's funeral. Brutus agreed on one condition, that Antony would not blame them in the speech. That sets the stage for Act 3 Scene 2, which takes place right after the assassination. It contains two powerful speeches, one by Brutus and one by Mark Antony, and it completely changes the course of the play. Brutus' speech has logic and patriotism. Brutus addresses the citizens first, but he explains that he loved Caesar, but he loved Rome more. He says Caesar's ambition would have enslaved them, so his death was necessary for Rome's freedom. So his tone is calm, rational, and it appeals to reason and honor. So the crowd is convinced कि ठीक है भैया Brutus, आपको ही next Caesar बनाएंगे हम. So they call Brutus a hero and demand that he becomes the next Caesar. Antony's speech, it has emotion and manipulation. Antony steps forward carrying Caesar's body. So he begins very humbly, friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. So at first, he claims he isn't there to blame Brutus, but through irony and repetition of Brutus is an honorable man, he slowly turns the crowd's mood. He reminds them of Caesar's kindness, his refusal of the crown 3 times, and his generosity, leaving his wealth and gardens to the people. So Antony shows them Caesar's stab wounds, naming each conspirator who struck him. So after all this, the citizens' admiration for Brutus turns to rage and grief. And by the end, the mob is out of control, and now they are ready to hunt down the conspirators for revenge. Caesar की मौत का बदला हम लेके रहेंगे. This is the climatic turning point of the play's political struggle. Brutus gives a very logical and calm explanation for his deed, but he loses to Antony's emotional persuasion. So the Roman, they shift from support to violent outrage. So stay tuned to know what happened next. Let me know in the comment sections. If you want a video only on Antony's speech and Brutus' speech, like and subscribe to my channel Beauty of Language for more updates.